Hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 28th, 2021, we have two Sudokus left. I will solve first the binary, then this one, tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, but first, this binary puzzle and number 238. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And then between two ones comes an O. And then I need to compare this column and that column. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Need to compare again, but with this column and that column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again? Let me see. Yes. Second row and the 6th row. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one, boys and girls. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. And this will be a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.